Baba, no worries. See the projector. The projector is Android. It's Android smart projector. This is the latest projector right now, and it has AI features. So with this projector, you can watch your movies, you can make your presentations, you can play your game on a larger screen. Look at how portable it is. You can just put it in your bag, travel with it, go to anywhere you want with it. Look at the remote. The remote is very flexible. And come and look at it. With this HDMI cord, you can connect it to your laptop. You can connect your flash here. You can just slot in your flash here for you to view all those documents on your flash, for you to play those videos on your flash. And the beautiful part of this projector is that you don't need any special screen. You can just face it to any of your wall, just face it to the wall, and it will be very, very clear for you. Also, this projector has inbuilt apps like Netflix, YouTube, and all the entertainment apps. And you can even download more. You can download any other, either gaming apps or any other apps you want on it. The projector has Wi-Fi for your internet connectivity, and it also has Bluetooth for your external sound. You can connect it to your home sound system and it will work fine. You can screencast your phone with this projector. Like anything you are doing on your phone will be showing on the projector. This projector is the latest in town right now. If you have not gotten this projector, you are on a long thing. Click on the Learn More button to place your order right now.